Right, so I'm just out for a little hoon about. I've got to go pick some stuff up from work, so I thought I'd jump on and give this a bit of a run out. It's fucking insane, excuse me. Oh, bloody traffic, come on, go away. Right, so we're in second. Having a bit of a hoon, It's just incredible how it picks up now. I mean, from going from an NA tuned VTEC, if you like, to supercharged, it's a completely different world. So what I've done now is I've just literally on the steering wheel I've flipped to map 2, which is all the features that Ecotec gives, flat foot shifting and all that. I've turned my VSA off, which then kicks in the custom traction control, which I've got set to 4 out of 8, so it's a lot less intrusive. That in itself just changes this car. It's friggin' insanity. Absolutely love it. Oh, bloody traffic lights now. Had to be, didn't it? Had to be. Right, here we go. It's just all levels of bonkers. It's great. It's absolutely fantastic. One thing I'm needing to learn though on it is the I've spoken to a couple of people about it already, the fuel gauge. Obviously the trip computer doesn't function as it did before because of the 1000cc injectors and big fuel pump, so the trip computer's completely out. It doesn't really understand what's going on, so I'm sort of having to learn now the needle, and I'm just watching that precariously. It was on about 50 miles on the trip computer last fill up, and all of a sudden just went boom, straight down to 0, and I was like, find fuel quick. So I keep a jerry can in the back now just in case, just while I'm learning this. Right. Make some cool noises. Let's whiz around this roundabout. We're in 3rd gear. We're off now. 3rd gear still. So yeah, she just trap on a bit, Jesus. Those average speed cameras down here, so slow down now. But yeah, that's generally it with the supercharged car. It's great. Everything about it is just VTEC on steroids. Absolutely love it. Right, I'll pick the speed back up, set cruise on. What's nice as well with this now, my map 3 is the eco or wet map, so that just chills everything out. It drops the horsepower down just for cruising. You use less fuel, and I say just for these like average speed camera roads, that alone is worth its weight in gold. Absolutely love what this car's done now. So I'm thinking about changing the exhaust on it. I've got brand new NVIDIA on it, but it seems to not like the supercharger. All the exhaust joints are slick, so they sort of sleeve into each other with a clamp on. and it's just not liking that whatsoever. Now it's getting hot, really hot. The slips are slipping in the hangers, and a couple of knots on the back and whatever with it. So I think I'll be sticking something with bolt-on flanges, probably a Tenga or a 70mm for now or something, just to see how that gets on. They're cheap enough anyway, aren't they, really, for what they are? And I'll get this Nvidia sold. But yeah, thanks for listening to me waffle on. If you want more content, we'll do some more content. I'm going to do some meets and stuff in this and get out on the road. So yeah, thanks.